Rachel and Alicia had 352 crayons altogether. After Rachel lost 25% of her crayons, the ratio of Rachel's crayons to Alicia's crayons was 9:4. How many crayons did Alicia have? Alright, so altogether I know they have 352 at first. Okay, now and then Rachel is the one who lost her crayons. Nothing happened to Alicia's crayons, so please do take note of that. So let's see what happens to Rachel's crayons. So that 25% convert it into a fraction, because from fractions, right, friends, you will be able to tell the units very, very quickly, and this will just be 1/4 in simplest form. So out of a total of 4 units, okay, out of a total of 4 units, Rachel actually lost 1 unit. So she's left with what? She's left with 4 minus 1. She is left with 3 units. Okay, so this is how much Rachel is left with. Of course, in terms of units, and please put units here. Okay, so Rachel is left with 3 units. But at the end, they mentioned that Rachel had 9 units. Okay, so Rachel left is to Alicia left. This will be 9:4. Alright, so Rachel cannot be left with just 3 units. She's left with 9 units actually. So we need to do something to this guy. We need to make sure that Rachel's 3 units here becomes 9 units. And the way to do that is to focus on Rachel's units at first. Okay, she had a total of 4 units at first. Alright, and she lost 1 unit, remember? And she is left with 3 units. So what we need to do is make this 3 and this 9 the same. So the way to do that is to multiply this entire thing by 3. So you're going to get 9:3:12. This tells us that, hey, Rachel actually had a total of 12 units. Alicia had a total of 4 units. Remember, Alicia's did not change at all because she didn't lose anything. So what is 12 plus 4 is whatever they had at first. Okay? So 12 plus 4, that will be 16. And 16 units will be equivalent to 352 crayons. How many crayons did Alicia have at first? So she had 4 units, right? We can just take 352 divided by 4 to get our final answer. 352 divided by 4 of 88 crayons at first. How do we divide by 4? Because from 16 to 4, we divided by 4. We do the same thing on the right side as well. Final answer for this question, 88 crayons for Alicia.